Good morning, children. Today we are going to do articles chapter number 16. We have already done this chapter in the class. So let us do the exercises and revise what are articles. By now you all know what are articles. The words a, an and the are called articles. We use them before nouns in a phrase or a sentence. We use a and an with singular nouns. We do not use them with plural or uncountable nouns. For example, we say a dog. We do not say a dogs. So, wherever there is singular noun, we use a or an. We use a and an with countable nouns. Now, what are countable nouns and uncountable nouns? Countable nouns are the names of items that can be counted. Something which you can count. For example, apple, book, table. And uncountable nouns are items that you cannot count. For example, water, rice, sugar, oil, love, news. So children, with uncountable nouns, we do not use articles a and an. Like we do not say a water or rice, we do not use. But with countable nouns, we use a and an, like a book, or table, an orange. So you have to remember, we use a and an with singular nouns and countable nouns. We do not use them with plural nouns and uncountable nouns. We use an before words beginning with a vowel sound. Now children, you all know what are vowels. In your English alphabet, if you remove letter A, E, I, O, U, they are vowel. So we use an with the words beginning with vowel sound. An uncle, an egg, an orange, an ant, an ink pot. There are words which do not start with a vowel but still give a vowel sound. Let's see. An hour, an honest man. Now here children, honest and are, the letter H is silent. So we say honest and are, which begins with a vowel sound. So we say an hour, an honest man. As I told you before, you write an before the words beginning with vowel sound. Okay. Now let's go to article a. We use a before the words beginning with the consonant sounds. You know what are consonants? All the letters in your English alphabet, after you remove A, E, I, O, U, they are consonant. Examples, a giraffe, a banana, a tree. Now here also there are some words which start with a vowel but give the sound of consonant. In that case, we write article a. For example, a university, a unicorn, a uniform. Children, please note that the word university, unicorn, uniform, the letter starting is with U, but when we pronounce it, the sound is of U, which begins with the consonant Y. So we add article a before university, unicorn and uniform. Then we come to article the. We use the before a noun when we talk about someone or something particular. when we talk about something specific. Look at the example. This is a cupboard. Any cupboard. So we say a cupboard. This is the cupboard in which I keep my my clothes. So now we are talking about a particular cupboard, a specific cupboard which you use. So in that case, you use the. We use the before things that are only of one kind. That means they are only one. For example, the sun, the moon, the earth, the sky, the pole, star. Then we use the before a noun when we have spoken about it earlier. For example, I have an orange. I gave the orange to my friend. So in the first place, when we are talking about orange, we are talking about any orange. In second place, we are talking about the same orange which you had. So whenever there are sentences repeated and the article is used twice, in the first place you will write a or an, and in second place you will write the. We use the before nouns if the context specifies what we are talking about. There are cases where the speaker and the learner already know the item that is being talked about. For example, Sunil kept the oranges in the fridge. Now here we say the fridge because we already know the item, right? Sohini closed the door as soon as she entered the room. She knows the door, she knows the room. So when you already know what you are talking about, you use article the. We do not use articles with proper nouns, that is name and place. We use article with some proper nouns. Now children, we do not use article before name of a person. We do not say the Ram, the Radha, or before the name of place. We do not say the Rajkot, the Mumbai. But we use articles with other proper nouns. For example, the Ganga, then the Indian Ocean, the Himalayas, the Taj Mahal, the Bible, the Times of India. Let us start the exercises now. Exercise A on page number 67. Write a or an before the nouns given below. Dash octopus. An octopus. Number 2, a crab. Number 3, an insect. Number 4, a unicorn. Number 5, a bangle. Number 6, an engine. Number 7, a uniform. Number 8, an onion. Number 9, an apple. Number 10, a flag. Number 11, an urn. Now children, urn is a vase or a pot. Number 12, an hour. Turn the page, go to page number 68. Exercise B and C, we have already done them in the class. So let's see the answers. Write a, an or the wherever required. Put a cross if no article is needed. Whichever are uncountable nouns, you will put a cross before them. Number 1, bear, a bear. Number 2, the Taj Mahal. Number 3, a banana. Number 4, the Bhagavad Gita. Number 5, put a cross, we can't count smoke. Number 6, again put a cross before rain. Number 7, an orange. Number 8, put a cross before sugar. Number 9, again put a cross before rice. Number 10, an apron. Exercise C, fill in the blank with suitable articles. Children, you have done this exercise in class. If you have not done, you can check your answers. Number 1, the national flag of India is hoisted on national festivals. Number 2, the doctor who treated me gave me a chocolate. Number 3, Sonal opened the door to let the dog in. Number 4, Suman saw an accident on the road. Number 5, that is Rohini. She is a police officer. Number 6, I can have an egg only as an omelette. Number 7, I took a taxi to go to the airport. Exercise D, on the same page, rewrite the sentences using correct articles. Put a cross on the articles if it is not needed. Number 1, I can see a moon through a window in my room. Now here, what will be the answer? I can see the moon through the window in my room. So a moon will change to the moon, and window will change to the window. Number 2, Joseph is wearing an yellow jacket. An is incorrect, so write Joseph is wearing a yellow jacket. Number 3, the Mr. Goda comes back from office at 7 p.m. I have already told you we do not use the before name of person or place. So remove the and write Mr. Goda comes back from office at 7 p.m. Number 4, can you please pass me the butter? Can you please pass me a butter? Now children, we can't count butter. So can you please pass me butter? Number 4, an honest man is respected by all. Now we say an honest, right? So you will write an honest man is respected by all. Next, number 6. A Hindu is an popular newspaper in India. Now, you already know that for newspapers we write the. So, the Hindu is a popular newspaper in India. Number 7, an unicorn is the imaginary animal. Unicorn gives the sound of consonant. So, write a unicorn is an imaginary animal. Last, number 8, I ate a egg and a rice. So you will write I ate an egg and rice. You will not write anything before rice. That means a cross before rice. Okay? Exercise E. Answer the following riddles. Use a, an or the in your answers. Let's see what the riddle says. I am round and give out light. I appear at night in the sky. Oh yes, I change my shape too. So by now children, you know what it is. I am the moon. Number 2, I am white and I am found in your mouth. I help you to eat your food. I am a tooth. Right? Your teeth helps you to eat. So, your teeth are very important. Number 3, I am made of paper and have a storehouse of stories. I am your best friend. Who am I? A storybook. So write a storybook. Number 4, I have a long nose and 2 big ears. I live in a forest. I am long nose and 2 big ears. An elephant. Now the last exercise on this page. You have to tick the correct option. Number 1, Priya has gone to Paris to see dash Eiffel Tower. Now Eiffel Tower is proper noun. So you will write the. Put a tick on the. Number 2, how many articles are there in the following sentences? Let's count the number of articles. The 101 Dalmatians is a children's novel written by an English author, Dodie Smith. How many are there? The, a and an. So 3 are there. Put a tick on 3. Number 3, which of the following sentences are written correctly? So you have to take the sentence which is written correctly. Let's read. We saw an alligator in the zoo. It is wrong, right? We say an alligator. Number 2, the book you lent me was wonderful. Yes, it is correct. So put a tick. Next, an honest man will never lie. It is incorrect. We say an honest man. Next, he had an egg for breakfast. So again, this sentence is correct. So put a tick. Let us go to page number 91. Now exercise A was your homework. So let's check the answer whether you have written correctly or not. Fill in the blanks with a or an. Number 1, an honest man. Number 2, a university professor. Number 3, an honorary member. Number 5, a eucalyptus tree. Now eucalyptus is a plant, children. Okay, we extract the oil from eucalyptus leaves and we use it to treat cold. So the sound of eucalyptus is U, which is a consonant. So a eucalyptus tree. Number 5, an hourglass. Number 6, a unique story. Number 7, a European country. A European. Again, European gives the sound of U. So a. Number 8, a hoisted flag. Number 9, an island. And number 10 will be number 10, dash isle. An isle. Now children, isle is a passage between 2 rows of say seats kept on both the sides, or there can be shelves. You must have seen a passage in a mall when you are shopping things and there are shelves on both the side, and in between that there is a passage. That passage is called aisle. Or in a church where there are sitting arrangement on both the side and in between there is a passage from where you can walk. So that is called aisle. Next exercise B. Fill in the blanks using a and the. Number 1. Dash collar of my shirt is dirty. The collar. Number 2. Sumit needs a shirt with a plain collar. Number 3. There is a museum in the city. Number 4. Thiruvananthapuram, it's a place in South India, is a big city. Number 5. Chaman is name of a person. Okay, Chaman is an amazing cook. Number 6. This is the cook at my home who broke my favorite cup. Number 7. The star that doesn't change its position in the sky is the pole star. Number 8. Meera saw an aeroplane and thought it was a star. Number 9. A rolling stone gathers no moss. It's a saying, children. Okay. Number 10. I had a lot of fun on the rolling wheel ride. Number 11. Hirak brought an apple for lunch. Number 12. The apple Hirak brought was rotten. Number 13. Arpan wanted to visit the tower near his school. Number 14. A tower is being built next to my school. Number 15. Does this dog have a name? And the last one. Do you know the name of this puppy? We come to the end of this chapter. See that you complete all the exercises given here, as articles is included in your unit test. Okay? So complete your work and bye-bye.